በመልካም ጤናና ረጅም ዕድሜ ቡናውን ጠጡ። ቡናው እንደ ሕይወት ፍላጎታችሁ ይሁን። ቡና ሰላም፣ ደስታና ፍቅር ያመጣል።
Salam? Preparing dinner for the family is always my favorite part of the day. Sharing our traditional injera brings us all closer together. Now, a quiet walk to reflect on this beautiful journey.